Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can connect your CJ dropshipping to your Shopify. So first you have to open shopify.com. Then you have to log in with your email or sign up with your mail. Then then we have to click on this button app. Then we have to search CJ dropshipping. Like I'm searching here CJ drop shipping and press enter. So when you will press enter here, as you can see, here is CJ dropshipping. I have added, if you don't have CJ dropshipping, here is option coming to add this app. You can add. Then you have to open in another page CJ dropshipping. You have to search CJ dropshipping and you have to log in with the same Gmail you have logged into your Shopify so that it can be linked properly. So you can see that I have logged in with the same account where I have logged in with Shopify. So after that you have to open this app. So open it. Just I have logged in this here. It is very simple to make an account in CJ. You have to just provide your mail. Provide your mail and your name. It will make automatically. So as you can see, here is my Shopify. Sorry, CJ dropshipping. So it is connected now. So I will add some products and tell you how to list the products also. So let's go. So here we can see the trending products. So like we can just view more to see more. So as you can see here, this product is trending. You can just add the trending product by clicking this. If I want to add this, I have to click this. This is cleansing green tea masked clay oil control anti acne whitening cream skin mask. As you can see, there are many videos and photos also. You can just add it. To list it, you have to click on this button list. When you will click on list, here you have to check your store is connected properly. If it is, then it will come automatically. Then you have to check your product type. I have made a new type name sample. You can make your type. Then you have to check your collections. You have to check. I have added here my home page in my online store, and vendor is me only. I am selecting like showing vendor on me. You can just select the products that you want. So I don't want this. I want only one green and one purple. So you can see the total costing also. It depends on you how much cost you want to sell and how much margin you want. So you can just click on this recommend listing pricing. You can just recommend it. You can sell it to 2000 rupees, but 2000 is expensive in India as I know. So it will be total approx, like we can ship it to, like we can just clear it. We can just deselect all images. We can select the images that we want to sell here. So I am selecting this both, and the total after drop shipping is costing me a $6 here. We can sell it in India about 500 rupee. That will be this. So let's sell to 999, and here also 999. So let's list the product. It will be profit about approx like $4. So you have to click on this button, list it now. When you will click on this button, it's loading for some time, and to check it you have to click on this button on listing. It will be redirected to your dashboard where you can see your listings. So as you can see, the listings here is succeeded. We can just see the see our face mask stick here also. As we can see, it is added. Cleansing green tea clay stick. As we can see, it is added. We can view on the store also and check the price. As you can see, we are selling for $9.99, and here are the images of the stick that we are selling. The mask you can share from here also. Oh, it's looking nice. We can select color option B also. Same pricing. We can add the quantity. If buyer want to add, they can add. So as you can see, so let's go to CJ. So I am listing another product. As we can see, we can list this jacket, military jacket. It is looking good. So let's click on this. To click on this, it will open a new tab. As we can see, we can list from here. After clicking on this button, like list, we can select the products that we want to add. Just deselect all the images and then select the images that you want to add on your shop. So let's add. We can add small, medium, large, extra large, extra large, and here the cost not over $26. You can sell for $55 also. It's profit. It's a good profit. Let's recommend the price. It has been recommended. I think it is worth of to sell this jacket in $68. Yes, in India it's worth it because it's looking nice also. If you want to decrease the price, you can decrease by writing here, like you can just this, you can do 3,999. It will work like about $45. It is approx profit like $18. To list, you have to click on this. Just click on this, list it now. To see your list, just click on this on listing. After clicking on this, as you can see, it's pending. Let us wait. So it is working on. So let's refresh this page. So I think so it is listed. Let's see the product list. No, it's like, yes, here you can see it is listed here, like, let's see. Okay, we have to just refresh this. As we can see here, jacket, winter jacket, we can just preview on the store. As you can see, we have set price up to 3,999. We can see the prices also. Each and everything cost another. Like you can just order this. You can see overview. It's the chart and it's the note, full note. You can see it's looking nice. So if you like this video, then like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.